where every day is full of color, giggles, and amazing adventures. Come on, let's play!
This isn't the way home. Don't worry, we'll figure it out.
As long as we stick together.
You're doing great, buddy. Wait, do you see that? Okay, I trust you. We're close. I know it. We're almost there. I couldn't have done it without you. Home.
Thanks for watching Lody Toons. Give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Tap the bell so you never miss the fun. See you next time.